Hey friends, welcome back to Doodle the Travel Bug and another installment of Graveyard Picnic. And today we find ourselves in Ireland in a small cemetery just 2 miles from the church this rock legend would attend with her family as a child. Caherelly Cemetery is located near Dolores O'Riordon's hometown in a quiet corner of southern Ireland. The cemetery had its first burial recorded in 1717. Dolores Mary Eileen O'Riordon was an Irish singer-songwriter and lead vocalist for the alternative rock band The Cranberries. During Dolores' lifetime, her and her band sold more than 40 million albums worldwide, with her airy, angelic tones that could turn ferocious. I'm guessing the boys don't know who Dolores O'Riordon is, but I'm sure you do by the pictures, right, Jim?
Only by the flag. Somebody wrote zombie over there.
Oh, okay.
That's how I knew it.
So, boys, she is the lead singer to the band The Cranberries. Cranberries had a lot of hits in the 90s, and she had an angelic voice. Can I say badass as well? You know, in a rocker. So this is one of the more sad graveyard picnics because this was my childhood. This was my, young adult life. So yeah, I bet you can guess what our graveyard picnic today is.
I'm guessing it has something to do with cranberries.
Yes, cranberries here. We got some cranberry scones here. So how does it feel? This is our very first Doodle the Travel Bug international graveyard picnic.
International. We're taking this nonsense worldwide.
And sadly, she died very young. She was only like 46.
51? No, you're right. You're right. In her 40s, because she's died a couple years ago.
Yeah. Very tragic. She ended up drowning in a bathtub in her hotel I believe in London. She had too much to drink and definitely gone too soon. And we promised to introduce our children to the Cranberries. That's what we're going to be listening to as we're driving through the Irish countryside today. Thank you, Dolores.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.